Monster bass, guys. On the Mike Aikenelli Black and Blue Finesse jig. Oh my god. Monster. Oh my god, look at that. Came right out. Oh my god. Sorry for dropping that fish. Oh my god. This is a monster. Get a weight on her. If you'd stay still. Hold on, she's not staying still. Hold on. £4 pounds, 2 ounces. Monster, guys. Holy crap. This is a monster. Oh my god. Look at the size of that bass. Wow. I'm gonna get a quick picture and then get the release for you. Guys, another big one. £4 pounds, 6 ounces. This is much shorter than the other one, but it is fat. This is a monster. Almost 1.5 pounds. Biggest fish of the year so far. This is a nice one.